Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another really exciting video today. I'm going to be showing you guys some new bags that I got. Well, it's just two, but I'm going to unbox one because I just got it in the mail right now. And it's been such a hectic process to get this bag. I can't even explain it. Well, I'm going to try, but just really hectic. That's the only way I can describe it. So if you saw my luxury things I'm loving right now, I showed you guys some of my favorite designer pieces that I'm really into right now. And I've just been on such a bag kick, which I love because I'm not really even a big shoe person or clothing person. I'm just all about my bags. So in that video, I showed you guys my white Jacquemus bag, which I loved reading your comments. So many people were like, that's such a waste, but other people or on Instagram too, my DMs, some people love it, some people get it, some people don't. If you don't get it, I'm sorry. If you do, I'm proud of you. But a few weeks ago, Jacquemus, they announced that they were restocking their mini Chiquito, the La Chiquito bag. And I literally saw it after the post had been up for 7 minutes, and I clicked on the link on my phone and on my laptop. They're both open, and the website was not loading. I think it crashed or something. I had sent it to my boyfriend, I guess. I don't really talk about my relationship, but I had sent it to him, but he was in the UK, so I don't know if it was a different server or something, but he got through before I did, but his was not loading right away too. And I was trying to, and then as soon as it let me through, I was trying to add the pink and the beige to my cart, and it would add them to my cart, and then as soon as I would get to checkout, it would say the items in your cart are no longer in stock. So I kept reloading it. I tried it on my phone and my laptop, and I don't know why it would let me add it to my cart, but it wouldn't let me check out. But he was able to get the pink one for me. So I was so excited because this is the one I originally wanted before I got the white one. This was my dream Jacquemus bag. Not only just because it's beautiful and so cute, but I really like the idea of the Jacquemus bag. It's not something I'm gonna use every day, but I really was I wanna get this for my daughter. I'm not pregnant, I'm not trying to get pregnant, but when I have a baby, if I have a daughter, I wanna be able to have this for her. I don't know, I just, that's the first thing I thought when I first saw these bags. And so the white one and the pink one, eventually when I have a baby and if it's a girl, she's gonna have a sick collection of little stuff. But that was my main thing. I haven't used it yet. I've only had it for 2 weeks and I've been traveling a lot, but it looks so cute on my little shelf next to the white one with my perfumes. It's honestly just a decor piece. It's really crazy to think, but it's a $500 piece of art for my apartment. But I love it. I think it's so cute. I am so happy I got it. I'm so lucky that I have this, because it's just I know it's sold out. I was getting crazy DMs saying did you get that when he restocked, because a lot of people couldn't get it, or the website was not working for them, just the same way it was for me. They was saying they were sold out. But I'm very lucky, and this was such a cute little gift to get, and I don't know, I'm so happy I have this. So once again, I know a lot of people hate these little bags and they think they're not worth the money, and I get it, I totally get it, but at the same time I've totally fallen for it, and I'm kind of obsessed now. I don't know what outfit I'll wear this with, but as of right now it's just really cute in my apartment. So I did want to show you guys this just because I just talked about the white one and wanted to know if you guys thought it was worth it or not, but I'm here for it. So this is my first thing I'm going to show you, but now this is the main part of the video. So when I was in London in Selfridges, I saw the Balenciaga hourglass bag for the first time, which is the bag, well, I'm about to show you guys, but it has an hourglass, and I didn't know if I loved it or hated it. I saw it in the black leather and just a few other colors. And then Kylie Jenner posted a picture and she had it, and I didn't know if it was the extra small or the small. I knew it wasn't the medium because the medium's really big, but I didn't know what size it was. So I went on to Balenciaga and saw that they had the extra small black crocodile hourglass bag. and I thought that was the same one because I couldn't find any other size of the crocodile on there, but it was a pre-order. Anyways, we ordered it and it said it was supposed to come like, or ship like September 2nd. And then like a few days after that, I reached out because I hadn't gotten like an email confirmation, and they said there was a delay until like October 17th. And I was like, I'm not waiting till October 17th. Anyways, but I still like kept my order because I still wanted the bag. And then recently when I was in Orange County visiting like my family, I went to South Coast Plaza and went to the Balenciaga, and I was like talking with a sales associate, and I was asking him about the bag and like the different sizes and whatever, and he was like saying he could get this small size of the crocodile for me, and I was like, huh, maybe I want that. But I didn't really like think about it because I was like, I just ordered the extra small, like I'll get it and I'll see if I like it or if it's too small. But then anyways, I just kept talking to him and he said he could get it for me, so I really just was like, let's see. So there was only 4 left in the company, so he called a store in like Miami, I think, and they had 1 left, so they shipped it to him and then he shipped it to me. And I canceled the extra small order, which I'm so happy I did because I was in New York a few days ago and I was at Saks and I was comparing the small and the extra small, and the extra small was like the size of an iPhone. And I was like, I kind of wanted an everyday bag that I can use, like my Balenciaga or like my Dior saddle bag. So this is like the perfect size for me, I think. I haven't really like, you know, tried it on or anything. But if you haven't seen the extra small in real life, it's really, really tiny. It's like 2 Jacquemus next to each other. So I just got it in the mail. This is it. I'm gonna unbox it. This is my new baby. So I'm just gonna undo this. Totally goes with my outfit. I love that they wrapped it all nice. So it's in this box. Obviously, I like that it's gray. Like, this is just like such a vibe. I actually just got a Balenciaga coffee table book and I'm like obsessed with it. I don't have anywhere to put it yet, but yeah. So anyways, let's just go ahead and open it. So the first thing in here, I think this is just the receipt. Yeah, so the bag was $15.50 before tax, in case any of you guys are wondering. I'm just gonna rip it open. Here it is. It's still a really tiny bag. Like, it's not some huge bag that's gonna be whatever. I just have been so into small bags, but also something that's like still gonna be practical, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna undo this little dust bag. But yeah, I just like, this is like a perfect winter bag, even though it's like not even like really fall yet. Oh my God, it's so cute. So here it is. I'm so obsessed with this bag. It's like black crocodile. It has black hardware, which I love because the other colors of it, like I don't like, they're like rusted gold. They're gold hardware, I don't know. It has a pocket on the back. I just died. But do you see how it's like tiny? But like the extra small was like even smaller than this. Like I would not be able to fit anything in this. This is probably a little bit smaller than my Balenciaga mini city bag that I use all the time. But it probably fits more than my Dior saddle bag because that fits, like I talked about in my last video, not a lot not in it. But oh my God, it's so cute. And I think this comes with a strap. Comes with a strap. You know me, I love my strap bag. So yeah, I definitely think I'll be able to fit everything I need like on a daily basis in here. I cannot wait to use this bag today. You don't even know. But there is like a little pouch in there, if you can see it back there. But for the most part, it's just like open, which I love just because like with my Gucci Dionysus, like it has compartments and I thought it was like amazing. I was like, oh, it keeps me so organized, but then I can't really fit like thicker things in there. So like my, but you know, like everything's gonna fit in here. Like my wallet, my makeup products, my portable charger, my phone will fit in here. So I'll just take my phone for reference, like my phone. This is the 8 Plus, if you can see that. So it fits in here perfectly. I'm so happy I ended up canceling my online order and just getting this. I don't know if you can, like, how many are left in the world of these, because it's not on their site anymore, I don't think. I think maybe the extra small is, but not this one. But I love the top handle. I'm gonna open up the strap right now because I like wearing my bags over my shoulder. But yeah, one of the things that really sold me on this bag was that the hardware is like matte black, because I don't have anything like that. It's mostly silver hardware, and then I have like a few gold hardware bags. But in the winter, I just thought like all black was so sick. especially I always wear black, so I just like that it's like gonna be very monochromatic. And then with the crocodile, it does like add something because it's like a texture, so it won't really just blend into my outfits. But I just think it's like so chic and so me. Like I can't even tell you how much this bag really just like speaks to me. I don't know. I definitely think this is gonna like replace my crossbody Balenciaga city bag, just because that is like it's like a canvas material, so like in Chicago it rains and it snows, and like I don't want that to get wet, and like, you know what I mean. So this is like very durable. Like if it gets wet, like, I'm not gonna try to get it soaked or anything, but like it would just slip off. It's not gonna like stain the bag. So I just think it's like really great. It's really cool. It's different. It's not like any other bag I have. And I can use it like this if I wanted to go to dinner, or I can put the shoulder strap on, which I'm gonna do right now. So I put the shoulder strap on, and I see that it can be adjusted, and there's literally a hole to adjust it every inch all the way to here. It's like a lot of holes. I feel like normally bags will have like this many holes from here to here. Put it on though so you guys can see. It's a thinner strap than my city bag, which I kind of like. Just because it's like something different. I don't like really thick shoulder straps, just because like obviously I have like bigger boobs, so like normally we'll just cut in. Don't mind that my jeans are like falling off with me. I lost like a lot of weight since I got back from Paris. Obviously you could just like hold it like this, just like that, and yeah, I'm just like so obsessed with it. Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun sharing this with you and like unboxing it with you. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.